I'm Blake Schwank with CCS IT Pros. IT services and cybersecurity is what we do. That is tech stuff. And what I want to talk about today again it's not about the tech. It's about everything else surrounding the tech. It's that the other 70% or so that does not involve the actual technical process. And we see this a lot when we're talking to clients, especially new clients. What I want to talk about is project management. To do projects properly takes time and effort, and that causes some discussions when we bring on a new client and they tell us things like, well, our old guys used to just go do it. They didn't spend all this time doing it. They just plugged it in. Well, when we dig a little bit deeper, we also find out that there's problems with those projects because, to do a project properly, you need to come up and define what the project is, what the goals of it are, what the budget is, what the scope is, and then actually, plan this out, create a real action plan to do it, even on small projects. And that's kind of where the frustration comes in is, it might be a several hour project of execution, but you need time ahead of that to make sure that things are not going to break, that you're going to get the results you're looking for, and that you're not going to get surprised with some other bills or something. So we want to initiate properly, we want to plan it. Then the execution is, most of the time, that's the short part, right? So we've done all the planning, and then we execute. The execution oftentimes most of the time, takes less time than the planning and the follow-up. And then at the end, we want to make sure that we close the project out. That includes documenting it properly. That makes, making sure that all the steps were followed, make sure that the project is actually successful and the end result is successful. And then after all of that, what we do is an AAR on especially the larger projects, so an after action review, to make sure that we learn from it and we assess, if there were hiccups along the way, what caused those hiccups so we can avoid them in the future? Did we stay within the scope? So if we scoped out 50 hours for the project, did we end up at 75 hours or 100 hours? And if so, what caused that? Was it, did we make a mistake in scoping, or was there an unexpected event that happened or a roadblock that we ran into? So that is it. And that is why projects, when done properly, take more time than just running something over and plugging it in. So if you're a client of ours, bear with us while we take you through this process because it does take time and effort to do a project properly. So if you want to talk about how you can do your projects properly within your hospital, your medical practice, give us a call at Colorado Computer Support or CCS IT Pros. We've been doing it for a long time, and we would like to help you out. You can find us on the web at www.ccsitpros.com or call us at 719-439-0599. Have a fantastic day.